press bell button for video alerts.
Finding a job conversation between two friends. Hi. It is good to see you, Charan.
Same here, Maya. It has been a long time since I last saw you.
Yes, the last time we saw each other was New Year's Eve. How are you doing?
I am doing okay. It would be better if I have a new job right now.
How long have you been looking for a new job?
I just started this week.
Didn't you have any interviews with those firms that came to our campus last month? I believe quite a few companies came to recruit students for their finance departments.
I could only get one interview with Fidelity Company because of my heavy work schedule. A month has already gone by, and I have not heard from them. I guess I did not make it.
Don't worry, Charan. You always did well in school. I know your good grades will help you get a job soon. Besides, the job market is pretty good right now, and all companies need financial analysts.
I hope so.
You have prepared a resume, right?
Yes.
Did you mail your resume to a lot of companies? How about recruiting agencies?
I have sent it to a dozen companies already. No, I have not thought about recruiting agencies, but I do look closely at the employment ads listed in the newspaper every day.
Are there a lot of openings?
Quite a few. Some of them require a certain amount of experience and others are willing to train.
Also, make sure you are on time. Nothing is worse than to be late for an interview. You do not want to give them a bad impression right from the start.
I know. I always plan to arrive about 10 or 15 minutes before the interview starts.
Good decision. It seems that you are well prepared for your job search. I am sure you will find a good job in no time.
I hope so.
I need to run, otherwise, I will be late for office. Good luck in your job search, Charan.
Thank you for your advice. Bye.